Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to contact Temu customer support. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Maybe there's a problem with your order, maybe it's defective, and maybe just simply getting a refund isn't good enough. Either way, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but the way to actually do this is that first you want to log into your Temu account, and then on the upper right hand corner, you want to click on support. Now once you've done so, you'll see that Temu actually organizes your support system based on items that you've ordered. So if we have a problem with this order right over here, we're just going to click on this order. And then with that, you want to scroll all the way down and then click on contact us. So once you click on contact us, you'll see a chat box actually appear in regards to the order. And this is right now as an AI, but you could actually follow the on-screen prompts until you actually speak to an individual. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and contact Temu support. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.